I'd really like to get Sam Sorensen out for wasting our time at the start of the game. I was under the impression in that game that if you're on the team of Sam, you throw the game. Apparently the rest of the people on this game didn't understand that. So he's immune.
No, the start people no, he's gonna win. I'm trying to get people to vote Big Dog out because if he goes to the final, he's winning. And I've told people that, and I agree. So hopefully they're not lying. If they are, fuck him.
He's too strong. He didn't really want to move from the game immediately, but maybe tell him.
We were like locking eyes as to who's real, I'm staying. You were like, I'm staying.
Maybe tell him.
I know. I mean,
Knowles established himself as a slippery fella. You know, he's really leading the talks in the strategy section. I think he did very well to survive the first round. A bit concerned about him, to be honest. He's going to be tough to take out the game.
I'm not sure how we were like locking eyes. You were like, I'm staying. You were like, I'm staying.
Sometimes get mad at. Yeah, like because I want to bring that up.
What are those general opinions going on over here?
Trying to eliminate.
The one that gets the final, who are you going to vote for Big Dog?
I think he's strong because people like him.
So I feel like you know the community.
Yeah.
I think Noel has a bit of that with the he's a bit strange.
The surprise win.
I think I'm the one of the two. I can't lose to Noel either. that's the worst.
He's got an idol. He's desperately searching for one. So desperate.
Has some words on the grapevine. I don't know. I've got multiple people. Yeah, he's a big target. I mean, he's got more bigger than me. Also, just he goes that final three. Yeah, that's true. That is a good point, actually.
The record. I love Mike.
You're walking around, you're overhearing all these alliances and these plans, and it's a cutthroat place. You don't know who to trust. There seems to be a plan between Tom and Noel, but you didn't hear that from me. I've got my loyalties to Big Dog and our president, Lenny.
Erin.
Yeah. That threat, Sam?
No, it's just a comment. It sounded like a threat. I didn't vote for that.
I can't confirm. I'm not a vindictive person.
No, there's no reason for me to vote for you. Who are you voting for? I'm not sure. I'm still trying to figure out who you have to find.
When you get to the last three,
in terms of people I want out, I think Tom seems to stand out. You know, he picked that team. He could have picked it better. I think I'm going to try and team with Noel, Big Dog, Max. You know, a good little group, trustworthy.
Now I think I'm at risk from being voted off if I don't win immunity. If I don't find an idol, I'm worried I'm at risk. And I've been looking everywhere for an idol and I'm yet to find one. And Ollie has been desperately looking for an idol because he also thinks he's at risk.
If me and Beth aren't immune, we're done. So.
I guess we've had 2 rounds. Been immune twice, so it's going good. I feel like I've got a bit of a target. 2 strongish performances. So we're a bit worried about that. We're hunting for immunity idols. I think we've got some strong alliances, but there's going to be targets on both of our backs, particularly Beth.
Nothing.
I just got lost on the way to the toilet.
Are you sure? Deep through that.
I don't know where they are.
Thank you. Don't let me interrupt. Continue. Ignore me.
I don't know what it.
Yeah, we.
Man's just picked up a stick.
Yeah. Good chat.
Yeah, I mean, we know who we're voting for.
It might help you in the challenge.
Go on then.
Do you like some stick, Lenny?
I'm okay, thank you.
Sure.
Yeah.
It helps me feel like one with nature. I think that's helped me win the challenges so far. It's a sense of inner peace, it really helps when your body's aching and your mind's muddled. Being able to connect together and really helps.
You're trying to psych out this.
Okay, and I'm going to break up this conversation. It's now time for you to give us some of your own confessionals, so find a spot on your own.
I was thinking maybe Max, because he was the first one that kind of came out and was the one that did the least work.
Big threat by name, big threat by name.
I don't think too many people would root for him. And then there's Noor and Big Dog. But I reckon I could get an alliance with Noor.
Big blindside at the previous tribal council. I think it was definitely unexpected that Mark got his torch snuffed. A lot of lying going on. A lot of people maybe not voting where they said they were going to. Amy, what was the feeling after seeing Mark's torch get snuffed?
Irritation.
Were you perhaps upset at any particular individuals? Do you know who to be upset at?
I think someone might have biased the vote slightly.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Would you like to indicate who that person is, or?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, alright, that's absolutely fair. Noel, survived the previous vote. What was the feeling as you saw the fourth vote coming for Mark?
Incredible jubilation, unbelievable scenes.
And how do you propose to go forward now that you're still in the game, although vulnerable tonight?
God's looking down on me.
Survivor Gods playing a key role here. Yeah. Carolina, great performance in the challenge, but ultimately not safe for tribal. What's the feeling at the moment?
Slightly disappointed in myself. I thought I had it. We'll see how my team members feel about that.
Sam, is there any perhaps irritation at Carolina? Was there anyone blaming any loss on any particular team members?
Not on any particular team members, no.
Okay, so no, that's not going to bias your vote in any way.
No, I will vote tactically.
Okay.
Still don't know who I'm voting for.
Max, any inclination as to who you're voting for tonight? Any ideas?
Well, personally, I think the team setup was poor from the beginning. And there's only one man you can blame for that. That's the gaffer.
Interesting that Tom picked a poor team, albeit with you on it.
Yeah. I don't think he utilised his star man correctly, to be honest. Being me, obviously.
Okay, alright, well, we'll look at the tapes on that one. Oscar, there's been talk of idols and advantages. Have you been looking at all?
I've had a look.
Anything in particular crop up for you?
Absolutely nothing. I've had a look in a few decent places, but I don't know, I feel like people have been ahead of the game on those ones, so it's a losing battle looking for them.
Oh, what, as in, do you think there might be some that have already been found?
I reckon so. I reckon there's a few secrets people might be keeping.
Oh. Big Dog, any feelings that there's secrets around here?
There's definitely secrets.
Are you suspicious of anyone in particular for owning any idols or anything?
I think everyone really. Lenny and Noor the most. Huh?
You called your arsehole.
Lenny, there's now rumours that you and Noel might have idols. Is there anything behind this?
I don't think there is any out there at the moment. I think he's just lying to us. I've been searching all over the garden, all over the house. I don't think you've done anything.
Ollie, back there with immunity, staying quiet. What's your method of thinking behind this vote?
Using the votes from the previous round, know who has some traction under them, and jumping on that.
Big Dog, you worried that receiving a couple of votes last round might put you in hot water this round?
Yes.
And how do you move past that to stay in the game?
I don't know yet.
Sorensen, has there been any alliance talk for you?
Not in particular with anyone. I think the respect we gained from being a team that won might help in the future.
Oh, okay. So, despite being safe for the first two tribal councils, you've not been working to try and make sure that on those occasions that you're not safe, you have a team to sort of get you through that?
So if you're friendly with everyone, then
Oh, okay.
no one wants to vote you.
Yeah, just a strong social game all round. Yeah, that's a fair strategy. Beth, any alliances at your side?
I'm not at liberty to say.
Oh, Tom, is that concerning that there might be alliances throughout this game?
Yes, for the future. I think. Well, I'd like to reply to Max actually. I believe he
No,
volunteered himself first to lead the group. I will use this platform how I please, Max.
Carolina, are perhaps alliances concerning you at any point in the game? And do you think that with Mark leaving first, that puts a big target on you and Sam in this elimination?
I mean, I'm not sure if our relationship will play anything in here, so don't think it has anything to do with the game. I am worried a bit about some of the alliances, for sure. There's some sneaky talk I've heard, but we'll just wait and see what the vote says.
Right, Sora, have you heard any of this sneaky talk?
Plenty of sneaky talk.
Okay. Are there any people that you suspect might be working together?
I don't know. I've heard some people say things to some people and then say something else to someone else.
Right, and I think with that, it is time to vote. So, if the decision is final, the person who is voted out will be asked to leave the tribal council area immediately. If anyone has a hidden immunity item and would like to play it, now will be your chance to do so. People. Alright, I'll read the votes. First vote.
Sarah.
No. One vote no, one vote Slaw. Big Dog. One vote no, one vote Slaw, one vote Big Dog. No, Big Dog, Slaw, Tom. One vote each. Big Dog. No. No, 2 votes Big Dog. Big Dog. Big Dog. 4 votes Big Dog, 2 votes no. 1 Tom, 1 Slaw. Big Dog. 5 votes Big Dog. Second person voted out as well, Southampton.
Oh!
Needs to be it's a super Big Dog.
Next time on Survivor Southampton, a twist in the game only breeds more distrust and intrigue.
The player that is eliminated from this tribal council will get the opportunity to give someone still in the game an advantage.
And when your back is up against the wall, sometimes all you need is a little bit of luck.
I've been voted out. My guess would be no. He's been snaking everyone. And he's forced them to vote for me. I just know for next time.
Sorry, Big Dog.
If they get to the final, they're going to win.
He's a big threat by name, big threat by nature.
Quite a big distraction, you know. It's very sexy.
No one's going to be out straight away.